Okay, progress report on the N-Scale Polar Express. This is the interior for what's going to be the hot chocolate car. We have dancing waiters, seated children. We have a chef, more dancing waiters and children. And the tables were made from, I think it was 040 polystyrene. I used a hole punch to make the round tables. And then the stanchions for the tables is just polystyrene rod, and everything's glued in. I'll turn it around so you can see the other side of it. We'll go down this side. We have red-headed children, brunettes, blondes, black hair, brown hair, different colored pajamas, things like that. I tried to mix it up and not make everybody the same. The waiters are even though they're different poses, their outfits are all the same, of course. But then I have a car. One of the cars is complete, and this car did not exist in the movie, but I did it for a special reason. So this car is a baggage car, and the movie Train did not have a baggage car, but I equipped this car with Bluetooth. So inside there's Bluetooth components, a Bluetooth speaker, and let me flip it around here so show you something else. On one side of it, I had to drill a little hole in the side, and that hole is because the Bluetooth board that's inside has a power button on it. So this way I can stick a toothpick through it and turn it on and off when I need to be. There's a battery inside, so this thing is battery powered, but there is a micro USB port on the bottom, so I can recharge when need be. The roofs are snow covered, and if you look closely, like right there, you can see a little bit of blue, a little bit of purple shine in there, because I added some white glitter to the realistic snow. There's some more showing right there to give it a little sparkle, to make it, shine kind of like snow glistens. So you'll see random colors mixed in there. It's in the jar it looks all white, but on this it actually has different colors. But I mixed just a little bit in there. The other cars are not complete yet. They are all painted, and they all are right there. This particular car right here is going to be the marionette car. I will be putting marionettes in there. All the other cars, everything but the baggage car, will be lighted. I ordered light boards for these that are track powered, but unfortunately the boards I ordered were 144 millimeters long, and these cars will only hold 142. So I sent those back, and they are sending me 24 millimeter boards. So those will all fit in my cars. This is the observation car. As you see it, there was quite a bit of modifications done to this car. The back doors were cut and pushed out to give it a rounded back doors to more match the movie. I wish this thing would focus a little better. The back of the car itself was rounded out. It was normally just squared off. Now there are 3 holes up top, and those will be for teeny tiny little LED lights that will go in there to light the deck on the back. And then on the roof of this is the roof for that particular car. Did some modifications there, rounded it off. I'm sorry for things not focusing, but there is a little hole there. You can kind of see through it when I hold it just right. And that little hole will hold this particular LED, which is red. So there'll be this teeny tiny little red LED inside of that hole, which will all be wired to the lighting board and track powered. So all the roofs are snow covered. They're ready to go. I'm just waiting on the lighting to come back in, the replacement boards. so I can get these all assembled and finished. I'm still gonna have to make some interiors, especially the baggage car or the observation car. It's going to have a special interior in that. I've ordered some stuff, and when it gets here, I'll be making the interior for that car. So anyway, there's the baggage car with Bluetooth. It's pretty cool. All the other cars are there, ready to go, and hopefully it'll be taking shape as soon as some more stuff comes in. Thanks for looking.